Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study so fast it feels like illegal. First, define your study goals precisely. Knowing exactly what you need to accomplish helps you stay on track. Next, create a distraction-free zone, turn off notifications, and close unnecessary tabs. Finally, implement the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. This structured approach boosts focus and prevents burnout, making your study sessions incredibly efficient and productive. To truly accelerate your learning, embrace active recall. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself on the material. Try to explain complex ideas in your own words, even out loud, as if teaching someone else. This process strengthens neural pathways. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing information at strategic, expanding intervals. For example, review after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days. This powerful duo ensures long-term retention and rapid mastery of any subject. Your study environment plays a crucial role in speed and efficiency. Keep your workspace tidy and ensure good lighting to minimize eye strain. During your 5-minute breaks, don't just scroll on your phone. Instead, stand up, stretch, or walk around for a minute or two. This physical activity re-energizes your brain. Remember to drink plenty of water and have nutritious snacks readily available. These small adjustments significantly enhance your focus and overall study endurance. Finally, to study at an illegal speed, you must prioritize effectively. Use a system like the Eisenhower matrix to distinguish urgent from important tasks. Concentrate on grasping the fundamental concepts rather than rote memorization. True understanding leads to faster application. Cultivate a growth mindset, believing in your ability to learn and improve. A positive outlook, combined with these techniques, will transform your study habits, making learning feel effortless and incredibly fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.